What's up, everybody? I'm Taylor Soper with Geek Wire. We're here with Stefan Frei, goalkeeper on the Seattle Sounders. And just below us is the FIFA 19 tournament. You're battling some of your teammates out there, and you got the first matchup of the day against defender Chad Marshall. How'd that go?
I won. So I guess that's why we played the game, is to win. And it wasn't very pretty. I wasn't efficient, but I won. So I'm moving on.
It did not go well. Steph beat me pretty handily, 4-0. Got off to a rough start. He scored on me in the second minute. I think my controller wasn't even on. So,
if not you, who is the best FIFA player on the squad right now?
I mean, it's probably up to, Steph, I didn't think was going to be that good, and then he scored on Chad in the first 2 minutes. So Steph's pretty good. I know Christian and Jordan are going to be a good matchup, so I think that's my competition. But I hope I can sneak in with kind of my experience from years past.
Do you play FIFA, the video game?
Not too much. So I spend my time in other things, but I play a little. So
You spend your time playing real soccer.
Real soccer and the practice.
Christian and I used to room together a couple years ago, and we would bring it on the road and play on road trips. But haven't played as much recently, so I would say I'm okay.
You know, it's tough to be away from home, but when you have your Xbox and you're able to play and have some fun in the hotel room, it's a better road trip for sure.
Is it weird playing as Christian Roldan, the virtual player, and like controlling him, in light? Like, what's that like?
Yeah, it's pretty funny. When I'm playing not so good players, I usually play with the Sounders, and I put myself at forward, which I'm not a forward, just so I can score goals, and it's pretty fun to celebrate the way the game allows you to do. So in that sense, it's awesome.
My friends always, when I play it in La Liga, always play with my player, with my team, and it's awesome. It's really nice. Yeah. But me, I prefer no, because it's a lot of pressure for me.
When you are playing FIFA and you're as the Sounders, do you swap out Frei, or how does that all work out?
Absolutely, I do. The best players play.
Good answer. And are you happy with the ratings that FIFA's given you?
It's a tough question. I think most people would say no. So
So the real life Jordan Morris better than the video game version?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you've spoken to Chad, but he was just telling me that I'm like 40 speed higher than him, and I don't know if that's the case live. I think he's a much faster player, but that makes me pretty happy.
I knew this was going to come up. Yeah, I don't know. I get absolutely shelled on the speed. The pace is like 40. It's like 9 or 10 below like anyone else on the team. Christian's like 30 higher than me. I don't understand.
I think the video game version is a lot faster than I am, but shooting and passing, I think I'm better than what it says I am, but you got to get what you can.
I didn't really look at it. I think I'm finally now above 70. I was on 69 for the longest time, so now they bumped me up to a 72 or something. But I have no idea what the different categories, what they gave me, but I'll take it. I'm in the game, so it's cool. It's awesome.
Yeah. MLS playoffs prediction?
Sounders. Yeah.
All the way?
All the way. 3 finals in a row. 2 wins.
I expect to make the playoffs, and I expect us to make a good run. I think we can win it this year, and it just depends on how we are in form at the end of the year.
What question? Obviously,
right here.
Us, yeah, obviously, we are working very hard. We start really slow, but I am confident with the team, and I think we are ready for the playoffs, and obviously we have a chance for win MLS Cup.
Maybe Sounders over Atlanta 2-0 in the final. Okay, I like that.
You heard it here first.
Yeah, Chad Marshall header.
Game-winning goal. All right, we'll see you.
Done before.
Okay. All right, Chad. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.